Question 1. Who was the first Indian woman awardee of Bharat Ratna? Correct answer is B. Indira Gandhi. Question 2. Which of the following native tribes showcase their culture and traditions in the Hornbill Festival? Correct answer is C. Nagaland. Question 3. The Indian Parliament consists of. Correct answer is D. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the President. Question 4. Where was the first computer in India installed? Correct answer is B. Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. Question 5. Sangpo and Jamuna are other names of which river? Correct answer is D. Brahmaputra. Question 6. What is the name of the architect in charge of the new building of the Parliament of India? Correct answer is B. Padma Shri Bimal Patel. Question 7. The institution of Lokayukt was created for the first time by the state. Correct answer is D. Maharashtra. Question 8. The world's largest Bhagavad Gita is located in. Correct answer is A. ISKCON Temple, Delhi. Question 9. Which was the first 5-star hotel to open in India? Correct answer B. Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, Mumbai. Question 10. What does ME stand for? Correct answer is C. Equated monthly installment. Question 11. Gandhiji gave the slogan of "Do or Die" in which movement? Correct answer is B. Quit India movement. Question 12. What is the name of India's first private train? Correct answer is C. Tejas Express. Question 13. Who had founded the first women's university in India? Correct answer is D. Dhondo Keshav Karve. Question 14. Which of the following leaders was also known as the unofficial ambassador of India? Correct answer is C. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question 15. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Correct answer is C. Sarojini Naidu. Question 16. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Correct answer is C. Part 3. Question 17. Who is regarded as the mother of Indian Revolution? Correct answer is A. Madam Bhikhaji Rustom Kama. Question 18. What is Rajya Sabha called in America? Correct answer is C. Senate. Question 19. India became the winner of the Cricket World Cup for the first time in. Correct answer is D. 1983. Question 20. Who is known as the father of Internet? Correct answer is D. Vint Cerf. Question 21. Which organization maintains national highways in India? Correct answer is B. National Highways Authority of India. Question 22. When is Constitution Day celebrated in India? Correct answer is B. The 26th of November. Question 23. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with abolition of title? Correct answer is A. Article 18. Question 24. Who is the father of supercomputer? Correct answer is C. Seymour R. Cray. Question 25. whose birth anniversary is being celebrated as Parakram Divas on the 23rd of January each year? Correct answer is D. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. Question 26. Which of the following dams is oldest dam in India? Correct answer is B. Kallanai Dam. Question 27. What is called the Golden Revolution related to agriculture sector in India? Correct answer is C. Horticulture. Question 28. From which country were the ideals of justice of the Indian Constitution adopted? Correct answer is A. USSR. Question 29. Which dance style of Goa is also known as warrior dance? Correct answer is C. Ghodai Modni. Question 30. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that there shall be a high court for every state? Correct answer is A. Article 214. Question 31. In which year did Lord Dalhousie start the railway line in British India? Correct answer is C. 1853. Question 32. What is the full form of SIM? Correct answer is B. Subscriber Identity Module. Question 33. Which energy source is often considered the fuel of the future? Correct answer is C. Hydrogen. Question 34. Which major event in Indian history is also called as White Flowing River? Correct answer is B. Dandi March. Question 35. Which of the following articles states that the Prime Minister should be appointed by the President? Correct answer is C. Article 75. Question 36. Which one of the following Vedas contains sacrificial formula? Correct answer is C. Yajur Veda. Question 37. How many fundamental duties of a citizen are there according to Article 51A of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is D. 11.